Hello, I'm Teresa Mills, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Peace at Home Family Shelter. Peace at Home is an emergency safe shelter for women and children who are fleeing domestic violence. We have 4 core services that we provide survivors of violence. We have an emergency safe shelter where people can stay with us for about 45 days while they're transitioning out of violence. We offer a crisis hotline that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Christmas morning. We're there to answer people's questions about violence. We have support groups that are available for women and children to be a support team for each other. We find that women tend to learn best and support each other when they're transitioning out of violence. And then perhaps our most important service, which is that client-driven advocacy. That's an opportunity for women and their advocate to meet one-on-one to really identify her goals for independence. What are her barriers, and how can we at the shelter support them? Domestic violence is the #1 reason women in the state of Arkansas go to the emergency room. It is 40% of all crime reported in Northwest Arkansas. It is prevalent throughout our community. In fact, I would consider it a pandemic that impacts Northwest Arkansas every day. We actually provide services to men, women, and children. Any survivor experiencing family violence is welcome at Peace at Home Family Shelter. Recently, we had a woman call us at 3 o'clock in the morning. She had shimmied out of her bathroom window in her pajamas, barefoot, and had walked 3 miles to a neighbor's house to use the phone. After being trapped in that bathroom by her abusive partner who had terrorized her the entire night. Fortunately, law enforcement was able to connect this woman to our resources. She came into shelter, scared, alone, in her pajamas, stayed with us for about 60 days, and in that time, transformed. You can help by saying in your community that violence against women is wrong. You can refer people that you know that are experiencing violence to our crisis hotline 24 hours a day. You can volunteer. You can give your charitable dollars. Peace at Home is passionately committed to ending the violence in our community, and you could be part of that solution. Thank you.